Guys, thank you for tuning in to Gause Garage. We have Mr. Frank here and his drop-dead beautiful 58 Impala convertible tri-power 4-speed from the factory. Frank, how many of these were made?
I don't know, but not many.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
And you have the actual paperwork, the RPO codes, because a lot of people have said they never made these in 58. It wasn't until 59. But you actually have the RPO codes, and this is one of the cars. Can you tell us the story around that? Or?
Well, I know this was a 4-speed, and when I bought the car in 1980, it was a 4-speed. And it's been a 4-speed ever since in this Rio red color.
Yeah,
and
Rio red.
I put a Continental kit on it.
Okay.
And it's a California car.
Ah,
because
okay.
the bumper is one piece.
Yes, for safety reasons for California.
In California, they wanted a one-piece bumper.
Gotcha, okay.
Then I put a Continental kit on because I'm so 50s.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And the upholstery in this car is original.
Wow.
And it's the car only has 17,800 miles approximately on it.
Wow.
And I've loved the car ever since.
But it's been restored.
Yes.
Yes, it looks,
But,
yeah.
but I don't know by who or
Yes, okay.
when. But before I bought it, it was a really good restoration.
I can tell. It's been very well done.
Yeah.
And this is a tri-power car from the factory.
Based on what I know.
Yes, and then you had also some paperwork that showed the RPO code for it, that this car falls into those few short months, is what you were saying.
That's correct. Based on the VIN number.
Yes.
It was built, I think this car was built in January, but the parts, of course,
Yes.
were some early in 58, but the parts would have to be made before that, before they could install them.
That's correct. Okay, very good. So, in other words, this is one rare Impala convertible.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Awesome. So, can we take a quick tour of the engine bay? I know you were working on something. Yes, the air cleaner is over here, so we can see these beautiful tri-carb setup that you have here. And is it?
Power brakes
Oh, yes.
and power steering runs off the back of the generator.
Yes, yes. Piggybacked on the generator, power steering, power brakes, 4-speed.
And positive traction rear end.
Wow, very nice. This thing checks off the boxes, man.
Yeah.
It really does. And plus, you look at it, it is remarkably well restored. And I think you know the guy. Who's the guy that restores those tri-carbs? Is that a relative of yours?
That's a relative of mine, a cousin. He
Cousin.
lives down in Bonita Springs.
Oh, it's in Bonita. So he does those tri-carbs, huh?
Right? And he does a lot of them for Pontiac GTOs.
Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. So he's the master on the GM
Very good.
tri-carb. Very good. Very good. And you still have the battery hooked up, right?
I do.
Because I want to take a look inside that beautiful interior that you've got. And so, Rio red color from the factory. Oh yeah, this thing lights up well. Beautiful. I love how the doors recess up into there. Wow.
I got a bottle of water laying on the floor.
Oh, that's okay. You were snacking at the car show.
Yeah.
Look at that. Beautiful 4-speed. Look at the detail on the wheel, the dash, how well this car is done. It's beautiful, Frank. Holy mackerel.
Door jambs are all really nice.
Yes, sir. Everything you would expect from a California car, right?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
California dreaming.
Absolutely. You know, I see on comments all the time from other 58 Impalas that the kit you put on the back is very controversial. Some people just can't stand them. Others like them. Hey, your car, your deal, man. That's right.
Guy.
Yep. And they don't alter the car. You can unbolt them and put it back. So it's not a big deal as people make it sometimes. Wow, look at the work back here. Holy moly.
So here we have.
That is really nice. Look at that, man. That tail light treatment.
Here's the RPO number.
Ah, okay. So what we're looking at is the RPO number for 4-speed transmission.
And
Okay.
there's the date. February 13, 1958. That's when
very
he started.
good. Very good.
a
Yes.
regular RPO number for the 59s, but not 58s.
Yes. Okay, so what you do is you see these cars start showing up with 4-speeds right around the February time frame. That's when, okay, gotcha. Oh, and then you have some more
Well,
documentation on
Yeah,
it.
I have the whole thing here.
Okay.
You can see here, it also says.
And what is this RPO code for?
This
Okay,
is
that's same date?
It's a 4-speed.
Oh, that is the, okay, so it's just a reiteration.
And the linkage and everything. So,
Gotcha.
yeah.
Okay. Super. Man, I'll tell you what. The style, the design, all the bright work that they put on these cars, Frank, it's incredible, man.
This taillight section here is a very popular thing you see in a magazine. What car is this? When they just show
Yeah.
3 taillights in the back?
Oh, yeah. That's, I mean, you know, when the 57 was outgoing,
Oh, yeah.
and, you know, familiarity breeds contempt. A lot of people did not like the 58s.
I know.
But now, the 58
They love
books out so much higher. They're in demand. They are, yes.
Absolutely.
And really, when you look at it, people just, you know, coming from the 57, that's a hard to beat thing.
Right.
But Chevrolet did it, man. This car is drop dead beautiful, Frank.
Thank you.
Wow. Yep. And just from the design aspect and the colors, the equipment, the tri-power, the 4-speed, the Rio red color,
Yep.
it checks off all the boxes. Power steering, power brakes. Yeah. And there you have it. Any way you slice it, you got a winner, man.
That's a good one.
No doubt. Well, thank you for opening the garage and letting
yeah,
us have a
you
look
bet.
at it.
Yeah.
And there you have it, gang. Coming from Frank's Garage, this is Gause Garage in a very, very rare and beautiful 58 Impala Rio Red Tri-Power 4-speed. Thanks for tuning in.